Hello, welcome to Tableau Training Tutorials by 360 DigiTMG. In this video, we will try to understand about Tableau folders. How do we create folders in Tableau to neatly organize the data? Now imagine you have a data connection or a data source from where you are using hundreds of fields. To access those records, if we have to keep scrolling up and down to search for a particular field, it could get a little irritating, right? So how do we organize the data neatly and access it comfortably? So we will do that by creating folders. Let us go ahead and now look at how to create folders in Tableau. I'm going to use connection to a Microsoft Access database called as Sample Coffee Chain. Sample Coffee Chain is a transactional database which contains transaction details about the sales happening with coffee chain business on a daily basis. So they sell different types of coffee and tea related products. I would like to use the data coming from fact table present in this data connection, and I will join it with the data coming from location table and further use the data from product table. So I am basically accessing the data from three different tables here: fact table, location table, and product table. When I go to the worksheet, you can notice that Tableau segregates the fields very neatly based on the table that they belong to. So here Tableau is telling me that area code, date, and product ID, these three fields belong to the fact table in the data connection. These four fields here, area code, market, market size, and state, correspond to the location table. Product, product type, product ID, and type belong to the product table. Similarly, the measures are also arranged depending on the table that they belong to. So this is the default grouping which happens in Tableau. The fields are grouped by the data source table that they belong to. This feature can also be accessible when you click on the drop-down icon here. They are by default grouped by the data source table that they belong to. Suppose you would like to reorganize them by creating your own folder structure. We can definitely do that by simply changing group by option to folder. So when I choose to group by folder, I will no longer be able to see the table to which the fields belong, but the fields are simply listed out in an alphabetical sequence. I will go ahead and create a folder named area code where I would like to put these two fields in that folder called area code. So I can just select any one of the field, right click on it, go to the folders option. You can notice that we are doing a group by folder. Only when you choose group by folder, the folders option will become active. Otherwise it would be deactive. And then we can choose to create a folder. I will give it a name, area code, and click OK. So Tableau creates a folder with one field area code in it. I would like to move area code coming from the location table also into this folder. So I will simply have to do a drag and drop the field into the respective folder. So it is that simple to create folders in Tableau and organize your data neatly. So if I have to access the data pertaining to area code, I will expand the area code folder, use the field on the chart, and then simply close it. Suppose after creating the folders, suppose you go and switch the grouping back to data source table, you will definitely be able to see the tables to which these fields belong. You can close the table, meaning you can collapse it by clicking on the arrow mark, or you can expand it. Now, suppose I change this back to group by folder. My folders will remain intact. I can still see the fields neatly grouped at folder level, which means the folders once you create are accessible in that workbook for that data connection, even though you switch back to data source table and then return to group by folder. So the default data source which is shipped with Tableau, when you install Tableau, which is Sample Superstore, you can notice that it has data neatly organized into folders. We have customer folder with customer name and customer segment information, order folder with order date and information pertaining to the orders that are placed and how they are shipped out, location folder with the geographical hierarchy, product folder with different products, their subcategory and category information. So this is how we can neatly organize our data for ease of operation. Thank you.